Fitness Choice.
My name is Jen.
And I'm Dan. Navigator Sports has actually been in the fitness industry for over 30 years. And in this series, we will show you what Navigator Sports has to offer as one of the largest supplier of gym equipment in the Philippines. Today, we will unveil the latest innovation under the Navigator brand. The Navigator Sports New Generation Transformers Spinning Bike.
Transformer spinning bike from Navigator Sports. So guys, look at this futuristic design. Look, it features this sleek, very futuristic, very one-of-a-kind design. Guys, one key feature that this new generation Transformer spinning bike has is that the flywheel is actually placed now at the back. Look at that.
Look at that.
Yeah, diba? Very unique yung design natin. Is very sleek, very futuristic. And guys, nasa likod na yung disc. Take note of that. Not all Transformer spinning bikes look like this one. So, diba? Ayan, tingnan mo. Listen to that. Meron ba? Meron ba?
Parang wala.
Diba? Guys, this Transformer spinning bike is also belt types, which means it's zero maintenance and it's smooth, it's quiet. Guys, walang ingay. It's really noiseless.
Disc flywheel.
Exactly. It's a disc flywheel, you guys. And it features a 25-kilogram disc flywheel, just like we mentioned before. 25 kilograms. So the weight that 25 kilogram gives you actually has less strain on your joints when you pedal. So when you can stay really long on this bike and not really strain your joints. Kasi it's 25 kilograms, you guys, and it gives you a true road bike experience. And guys, we mentioned kanina, new generation Transformer spinning bike. Why? Look here. Guys, this is a new feature as well. Other Transformer spinning bikes feature an adjustable knob. Now this Navigator Sports New Generation Transformer spinning bike features an adjustable lever instead of a knob, so you can just adjust it quickly there to your desired level of resistance. It's easily shift. You can easily shift up or down. So let's try natin sa 2. I'm feeling a bit, today. Guys, ayan. So, as you can see, I put it on the 3rd level. So, yung resistance niya, very, yung kapit, So, yeah, I'll put it back at 1. And if you want to go on a full, complete stop, you just press that down like there. Guys, ayan. So, I'll just give that a quick click for you. Hindi siya gumagalaw, hindi siya nagbabudge. So, you can also have that option with this adjustable quick shift lever right here. Dayan, I'll let you give our new generation Transformer spinning bike a go. Ayan.
Tara, try natin.
Yes. Go.
Well, guys, right off the bat, do you notice that this has a cage foot pedal, which means I can secure it to my foot like that, and then we hop on the bike. And then secure the other side. And then as you can see, guys, I can just do upright exercises like that. I won't fall. I won't be afraid that my foot will slip. Diba?
Oo nga.
And as you can see, guys, mukhang hindi siya nauuga.
Try nga natin. Let's do it.
Ayan. And that's because this is heavy duty, guys, and really built for commercial use. Perfect siya sa mga spinning classes. Maybe you're enrolled online, or maybe you are following a YouTube video and you're spinning, so you can just quickly go like that, and then you can increase your resistance, so you can emulate like an uphill, bike experience, like outside. And this 25 kg disc flywheel is really giving me quite a workout.
You can also adjust the level, guys. Yung level of resistance.
Naku, wag na! Wag na! Wag na! Naku! Ayan guys, as you can see, ang bilis-bilis lang niyang i-adjust. And you know what guys? This spinning bike is actually built for all shapes and sizes. So hindi lang siya para sa akin. Lang siya para kay Jen. That's because, guys, nahiningal ako.
Nakapagod yun. Guys, this spinning bike actually gives you a full workout experience na kahit you're just pedaling, you're just sitting down, pero grabe yung workout, guys.
Ayun nga guys, as I was saying, this comes with a handle and a seat that is completely adjustable in 4 ways. Let's show them.
Alright, so I'll show you guys real quick. The seat can actually be adjusted in 4 ways. So there's a knob right here. Just give that a twist right there. You can actually adjust it forward and back.
Wow,
Yan.
Depending on your height, guys,
Yeah,
or your
exactly.
preference.
Yan. So ako, syempre, being a small girl, I'll adjust it medyo forward.
Represent.
So, represent, yeah. Okay, so just lock that in there. And we mentioned, guys, 4 ways, diba? So 2-way na yung front and back. So 2 other ways is actually up and down. So there's a knob right here. Just give that a turn. Actually, maluwag na pala siya. So yan, you can easily
Yan.
just adjust it up or down. Again, guys, my height only okay na sa akin yung pinakamababa na level. And guys, actually, yung height ng seat natin is actually just supposed to be in line with your hips. So sakto lang sa akin yung lowest level right here. And Diane also mentioned na yung multi-grip handle natin can also be adjusted. So there's another knob right here. Help me out, Diane. Alright, there's another knob right here.
Support natin. Naaakyat na siya.
Yeah, up or
nabababa.
down. Yeah. So
dito na tayo.
Yeah, so dito na tayo. Set na natin siya on this level because it's just the right level for Diane and me. And there you go. Secured.
And you guys, I mentioned earlier that this has floor stabilizers. Ayan, kaya hindi siya mauga. It's very secure. The whole spinning bike can't be budged. Diba? Hindi talaga siya magbabudge. And that's because of the floor stabilizers. Papakita namin dyan sa'yo.
I'll show you guys real quick. There you go.
It's located here in the back, 2 here at the back, 2 at the front like that. Ayan, nakikita nyo naman na it's easily adjustable. Ayan. And we can set it right here. And guys, while we're here, we wanted to show you what we mentioned earlier about the disc flywheel, which is here. Itong bakal na nakikita nyo. And that's actually different from all other spinning bikes in the market kasi ito manipis na siya. Kaya tinawag siyang disc flywheel. Oh, and for 25 kilograms, that's amazing, ah.
That's amazing, actually.
Ayan.
And guys, while we have the transformer spinning bike in this upright position, we just want to show you another cool feature. There's actually transportation wheels there in the front. There's 2. So you can easily move it around your house or wherever you want to bring it. So when you're gonna work out outside, you can easily move the transformer spinning bike. So we'll show you guys real quick.
Yan lang yan. I'm not even holding it a lot.
Sobrang
Kayang-kaya.
guys. Sobrang kayang-kaya. So we'll just put it back down. There you go. There you go, you guys. And Diane, napansin ko kanina when I was trying the spinning bike, grabe, sobrang comfy ng seats. Napansin ko lang talaga, and I want to share with you guys just how comfy the seats are. Ayan, guys, it's really well padded. It's wider than other transformer spinning bike seats that I've tried before. Sobrang comfy niya. It's well padded. You can go like hours on this transformer spinning bike. You won't even get tired or feel any discomfort. Sobrang lambot, guys. Very, very comfortable yan. And also, we mentioned earlier, multi-grip handle. Guys, we just show you real quick the multi-grip handle. Ayan. So, this multi-grip handle is actually rubber-coated and non-slip. Guys, take note of the word non-slip. We're going to show you guys just how non-slip and drop yung maganda yung coating natin.
Let's try that with a bit of a water
Yes,
test.
sobrang ganda nitong multi-grip
Saan mo
handle
gusto?
natin. Anywhere, go. This is fully covered.
Sige.
I'm
Try
very
natin.
confident.
Basain talaga. Ay, ayan natin magkalat. Pero ayan guys, nakita nyo naman, basa na siya.
Sobrang confident
Yung
ko
handle,
siya.
ayan.
Yeah. So guys, it's shining. Sobrang basa na yan. And let me just exercise on this.
So, this simulates your sweat, katulad ng meron ako ngayon sa aking ulo.
guys.
Kita nyo naman.
Yeah, pag very deep into your exercise na kayo, and then you're like, really sweating, your hands are not gonna slip, actually. Guys, tignan nyo. Sobrang grip na yan. As in, I'm really twisting my hand just to show you guys, I'm not even slipping one bit. Yan. And another cool feature that the new generation Transformer spinning bike has is the different size of holder. Tingnan nyo guys. Here, yan, diba? You can actually prop your water bottle there. It's actually wide. So any sizes, you can put it there. This other side, the right one, features flat style naman. You can like put your phone there, you know, if you want to read, you want to watch your Netflix series, I don't know. Basta, guys, sobrang flexible nitong Transformer spinning bike natin. And you can get this futuristic, one-of-a-kind, unique-looking Navigator Sports new generation Transformer spinning bike for only 25,000 pesos, you guys. Imagine, 25,000 pesos for all of this. Guys, get yours now. Head on over to our Facebook page. Send us a message. Send us a DM on Instagram at Navigator Sports. We're going to link all of that below for your convenience. Guys, get yours now. I feel pumped today. Wait lang, saan si Dayan? Dayan! Ayun. Dayan, I'm feeling a bit competitive today.
Gagawin natin.
I wanna do a little bit of challenge of the day. Gusto ko yan. Challenge of the day.
Anong naisip mo? Sige, tara.
Okay.
Game pa naman tayo.
Okay, yeah. So, this is what we're gonna do. I feel, gusto ko i-test yung tindi ng ano natin eh. Transformer spinning bike natin. So,
yes.
Sige, let's put it at the highest level. Okay. I'll put it, sige, try na natin. That's the, yan na yung brake natin. So, little bit. Gumagalaw na ba? Not yet. Little bit more. Just, ayan. So, medyo mabigat pala, no? Okay. So, let's put 30 seconds on the clock. 30 seconds, paramihan tayo ng pedals. On the highest level.
Laban tayo.
Are you up for it?
Tara, let's go.
Guys, okay, gusto ko ng team. So, Team Dayan and Team Jen, guys.
Yes, guys.
Comment below, okay? Team Jen or Team Dayan? Who's
Team
gonna
Dayan,
win this
guys.
challenge?
Come on.
Let's see.
Let's
okay,
do
who wants
this.
to go first? You wanna go first?
Sige, okay lang.
You wanna go first? Sige. You
Kasi,
go first.
pahinga ka muna dyan. Baka kailangan niya ng pahinga.
Oh, you're good. Okay, so let's put Dayan first. Let's put Dayan on the bike. Pero wait lang. We need the timer.
Parang nga.
Gio, gising. Gio.
Team Dayan daw, mag-isa lang naman sila. Ano may nagsasabi?
Gio, okay.
Tapusin na natin to.
We need Gio's help.
Okay, timer, let's start.
30
Ready when you
seconds
are.
on the clock, you guys.
Wait lang, 30 seconds.
Bigat, guys.
Sorry.
Pero kaya natin to. Sino
Guys,
magbibilang?
Look at this multi-grip handle. Yan, nakalagay lang yung phone dyan. Okay, thank you for the phone, Gio. Alright, I'll start the time. Are you ready? I'm gonna count your pedals. Okay, ready? 30 seconds on the clock. 3, 2, 1, start.
Oh my God, guys!
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6,
Tapos na ba?
9, 10, 11, 12,
Guys, yung legs ko!
14, 15, 16, 17,
Come on, na-utilize ko talaga yung
19,
grip handle.
20, 21. Okay, time. Alright. Dayan got 21 pedals in 30 seconds. Well, not bad.
Tingin nyo, guys. Panalo?
Not bad. Okay, I think I'm up for that challenge. I'm up for that. Let's see. Okay, again.
Tayo naman nagbibilang, guys.
Alright, you guys. Team Jen, let's go! Woo! Kaya mo ba to? Kaya mo ba to, guys? Team Jen, let's go, okay? Dayan, my phone is there. Ikaw na bahala sa time.
Set the timer.
Walang Dayan. Guys.
Guys, ano yun? Oh, let's go. Ready? And start.
Okay.
1, 2, 3, 4. Bakit parang bilis lang? 5, 6, 7. Bakit ganon? 9, 10, 11, 12, 13,
Oh my goodness, I think I'm gonna
14,
lose this challenge.
15, 16, 17, bakit ganon? 18, 19, 20, 21, 22.
Oh my God! Oh, I won by 1 point, you guys.
Guys, planado ba to? Anong nangyayari?
First episode, Team Jen! Woo! Yes! Guys, gusto ko gusto ko may consequence yung losing team. Yeah.
Pwede wala.
Grabe guys, pagod ako. Wait lang.
Guys, tapos na, di ba?
Nope. Loser has to do a consequence. Gusto ko, let's make that a thing, you know? Kada may matatalo sa team. Woo! Let's do consequences. Alright. Thank you, Gio. Pagod na si Gio. Alright, you guys. Okay. Para fair, pipili na lang si Diane ng kanyang parusa.
Pipili.
Wait lang.
Babalik ko, di ba? Pag ayaw ko yung gagawin.
25 kilograms.
Guys, sino ba nagsulat nito?
Thank you. Parang gusto ko malaman. Let me see.
Bakit nandyan yan?
I love this one. Thank you, Derek.
Pwede sa kamay lang.
Let others choose 3 random things from the fridge and use it as lotion.
Pwede
Oh!
Pwede sa kamay lang.
Okay, sige. Let's give Diana a break, okay? So, sa hand lang. Hand lotion, di ba? Pwede naman yun.
May ketchup yan.
Okay, hand lotion. Okay. So, sino pipili? Si Gio na lang pipili. Gio will pick 3 things from the fridge. Meron kaming fridge, guys, sa Navigator Sports HQ. Team Jen!
Guys, after this, mukhang pagkain na yung kamay ko. Oh,
Okay.
gosh.
Alright, what do you have there, Gio? Ketchup.
Ay. Ketchup, guys.
Oh, we have ketchup.
Lahat naman tayo may ganito sa rep.
Yeah, we have ketchup.
Sige na, ako na magbubukas.
Oh, siyak na dito. Oh my God, I'm so excited.
Guys!
Okay, we have ketchup. We
Actually,
have...
interesting experience to.
That's one.
Yummy!
That's one. And we have gravy. Ako ba? Ikaw na.
Sige, baka mag-enjoy ka.
Oh my gosh, I love this.
Next time, babawi tayo
We
kay
have
Jen.
gravy. Oh my God.
Guys, mahilig ako sa lotion, pero hindi ganyan.
And we have sweet and sour sauce. Guys, nasty.
Guys, ganito ba matalo? Ganito ba talaga matalo?
So, 3 things. Put 3 things from the fridge and use it as lotion. Ketchup, gravy, and
Enjoy this experience, guys. Oh, gosh!
I love this. Oh my God. Team Jen!
Tapusin na natin to, guys. Tapusin na natin to.
Better luck next time.
Cry. Si Jen. Nasaan si Jen?
No. Guys, thank you for watching our first ever episode.
We hope you enjoyed it, guys. Woo!
Hope you enjoyed. We have so much more in store for you guys. Make sure you watch out for the next episode. Go like, share, comment, hit the bell button, open your notifications.
Yes,
for
guys.
this video.
Come on. For this concoction right here.
This content, right, guys? Quality content yan. Quality entertainment. Come on.
And guys, don't forget the Transformer, new generation Transformer spinning bike.
Get your